Do you all know what street photography exactly is? What street photography exactly is?
Street.
Street. Street photography is just absolutely straight photography. It is derived from the term street photography. It was never street photography. Street is not necessary. It is not about the location. It is about the approach.
And straight by straight means straight out of camera.
Okay.
So there's no manipulation. You don't stage it. You don't.
Candid.
It's candid.
Completely candid.
Anything which is candid.
Street is defined
Nothing
by
posed.
its candidness.
Nothing so.
A photograph is a slice of time captured by the photographer from a particular place. Viewer only sees what the photographer wants to show. He or she appears like a guard to all these four women.
It's a story.
It's a story. Or attacking. I mean, it's up to you. Depends on again.
Or you
perception.
can feel
You're threatening.
You're threatening.
she's they are the kids. So there are different stories which you can make.
The sound.
There's
Sounds.
I will do the session how to bind the story, how to make the essay, and then we'll quickly go off the show. Have lunch.
Today this year has been pretty empty actually. Not as many people because of the whole ban on 500 and 1000 rupee notes. But otherwise a lot of interesting characters around here. काफ़ी कुछ सीख लिया. This is the first time I'm doing street photography. So completely new genre for me, and I've learned a lot of things like getting close to people. It's always been a very difficult challenge for me to get close to people. So I think I learned well with these guys. Okay.
The colors are dead. This is a completely black and white shot. You want to see how? Now. Now.
And look at the number of people.
Exactly.
महुआ ओवरलैप. हाँ. कितने लोग हैं?
बहुत सारे
No, 9 people. You were saying कि overlap क्यों हो रहा था, कहाँ हो रहा था, मैं तो avoid नहीं कर सकती. Avoid होता है. It's where you stand. Again, coming down to one step to the left, this will get overlap. ये इसके ऊपर हो जाएगा. A very interesting guy sitting somewhere. You know, अच्छा, this is my background. This is my guy who will fill my frame पीछे, right? उसके पास कितना दूर जाना है, कितना पास आना है, सब पे use. What we were doing yesterday with horses. We knew वो पीछे वाला horse जो है ना, वो ज़्यादा एंगल वो उतना ही हिलेगा. उसकी टांगे हम आगे वाले के साथ प्ले कर रहे थे. Correct. And we were looking for the third element जो हमें मिल नहीं रहा था. सब भी.
Experience बहुत अच्छा था. I've always wanted to visit Pushkar and always wanted to do a workshop with Vineet and Rohit as everyone had recommended, and I was not disappointed. They seem to be the best in the business, and I've been following their work for quite some time, and they seem to have what what you're actually searching for in the street, and the way they actually approach people in the street, the way actually they approach a subject. You wouldn't have seen any other street photographer doing that, and by following them or by seeing them shoot on the street, actually you can actually gain a few tips, and the way they actually critique your images every day, and they tell you to improve on certain things, and when you go and implement them, you actually realize that it's first nature to street.
ਦੋ ਨੈਣ ਮਤ ਛੂਏ ਫਿਰ ਦੇਖਣ ਕੀ ਆਸ ਅਗਲਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੈਣ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਛ ਹੋ ਜੇ
ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਵੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਸੂਰਤਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਤਸਬੀਹ ਦੇ ਦਾਣੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਨਿਗਾਹ 'ਚ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਬਾਦਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ
ठीक है, नकल हो गई भाई, तेरी नकल हो गई। अपना वो दिखा रहा है कार्ड।
हाँ करना अच्छा लग रहा था वो हाँ
एक मिनट मैं तेरा कर देता हूँ यूँ, ऐसे नहीं होता वो। ये पीछे से आगे कर ले, अब ठीक है, दिख रहा है।
और आगे पीछे
अब आ गया? हाँ आ गया।
यूँ कर ले
आ गया। आ गया।
हाथ लगाने के सारे आ गए
बाकी के 3 जने कहाँ हैं?
गैप ठीक कर अरे यार हाँ
ठीक है।
वो नीचे की बढ़िया
टैलेंट इस लड़के में है, पुष्कर। ये हमारे लड़के में टैलेंट है। ये बातें, ये तो कुछ नहीं, बरसाना में जो बातें हुई थी, लैंग्वेज ही बदल गई थी। लैंग्वेज भी अडेप्टेड तो लैंग्वेज। क्या कर रहे हो?
बताना आएगा ना
बरसाना इस पर है।